Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make YouTube Shorts on Android. So let's head over to our YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon, or you can just tap on the plus icon on the lower middle corner. Once you're here, just tap on as you can see, my microphone will not be available. So I'm going to take a screenshot. So in here, as you can see, I have taken a screenshot. Otherwise, my microphone is not available while using this. So this one right here, it allows you to um, use your front and back camera. This one allows you to take a fast forward shot, and this one is a timer. This one allows you to use filter, and yeah, this is how you can just do it. And here you can create short or live. So yeah, hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.